Hello, a very good morning to one and all. I'm Dr.Shrutika. I welcome you all back to our new YouTube video today. So, if you'll scroll down into the playlist of YouTube series, so you'll understand that we are into the series of understanding the different eminent stalwarts of homeopathy, their life history, and their contribution to the field of homeopathy. So, next in this series comes up Dr. Herbert Alfred Roberts, which we popularly known as Dr. H.A. Roberts. So let's understand about his life history and what were his contributions to the field of homeopathy. So let's get started. So what is the birthplace? So to make the understanding about this subject easy, so I have tried making all my videos very simplified into a very simplistic manner so that anyone who is reaching out to this video will find it useful. सो यहाँ पे मैंने बर्थ डेट, बर्थ प्लेस, डेथ, एजुकेशन, कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस एंड व्हाट आर द बुक्स ऑथर्ड. आई हैव ट्राइड सेग्रीगेटिंग आउट it for different stalwarts that we have did till date today, so that it becomes easy for you to study, to learn, and also prepare for your exams. Okay, so let's get started. So what is the birth date? It is 7th May 1868. What is the birthplace? It is Riverton, and the death is in the year 1940. So what was the education of Dr. H.A. Roberts? In 1896, Dr. H.A. Roberts completed his basic medical education from the New York Homeopathic Medical College and Hospital. Now, what are the important contributions of Dr. H.A. Roberts? He was designated as a chairman of the American Foundation for Homeopathy. He was the head of the Department of Homeopathic Philosophy, Postgraduate School of American Foundation. He was ex-president of the International Hahnemannian Association, and he was also a chairman board of editors for the Homeopathic Recorder. So these were the designations given to Dr. H.A. Roberts. Now, what are the different books authored by Dr. H.A. Roberts? The most famous book that we all study इन ऑर्गेनॉन ऑफ मेडिसिन, फिलोसॉफी में जो हम बुक पढ़ते हैं, जो हमारे करिकुलम में भी होती है, इज द बुक द प्रिंसिपल्स एंड आर्ट ऑफ क्योर बाय होम्योपैथी. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बुक. द अनदर बुक्स दैट ही हैज रिटन इज प्रिंसिपल्स एंड प्रैक्टिकेबिलिटी ऑफ बोनिंगहॉसन्स थेरेपेटिक पॉकेट बुक, rheumatic remedies, sensation as if is a repertory by Dr. H.A. Robert, and studies of remedies by comparison. So in short, this was the life history and the important contributions of Dr. H.A. Roberts. We saw the birth date, place, death, his education, what were his designations, and what were the different books authored by him. So if you find this YouTube video useful, do not forget to subscribe so that you'll always get notified about the next coming topics, and your queries, suggestions are always welcome. You can post down a comment, or you can DM me on email, or you can follow, and to know more about me, you can follow me on Instagram. So together we learn. So keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you and have a nice day.